All right, real quick, here's what's doing. The other day I made a video about autoresponders, how to make money with autoresponders, email marketing, that kind of thing. And I showed this simple opt-in page as a demo. And I got a bunch of people asking me, well, a bunch. I got a few people asking me about this actual product, this TikTok product, because it's really hot right now. Making money on TikTok is a really hot thing. TikTok is a hot platform. So people were asking me about what this is, why don't give us these 8 secrets and give us this stuff. Well, I have even better for you for free. So here's what I want to show you. I am giving you not just this lead magnet, this course, these 8 secrets, but I'm giving you something huge. This is a done-for-you business in a box. So let me show you what's doing here. This is my website, the Kinghuman Elite, and this is in the members area. This is the June 2020 money pages. So let me just go through here and show you. This is just an introductory video that I have. And in my money pages, I always have tutorial courses where I teach people how to make money online. And there are usually a lot of different courses in here. So this is just June, right? So I want to give you an idea of what's going on here, but I also want to give you this TikTok course for free. So here's what's doing. This is the tutorial course, my exact email income campaign. This was the email campaign that I ran that made me, I think, $3,000. So in this course, I show everybody what I do, right? Exactly what I did to make that $3,000. So there's that. And then now I immediately go into products that not only can you take these courses yourself and learn from them, but you can slap your name on them and sell them as your own products. So the first one is the Ultimate Traffic Handbook. So you can just click on this and download this, and it's got, let's see, what does this have in it? It's got a tripwire of an ebook, a checklist, a mind map, a resource cheat sheet, and then you get the upsell package of 10 video tutorials, a sales page, a 7-day done-for-you autoresponder follow-up sequence, a special report, affiliates tool page, social media kit, swipe kit, influencer cheat sheets, keywords, presentations, and graphics, and you get the resale rights to all of this. So basically what this is a 2-stage product, done for you product with a 2-stage funnel, including including everything you need, the website, the sales pages, everything. Next, the newest way to make money with free viral traffic. This is open source. And you can use this however you want. Again, it's your product. TikTok Money Machine, the hottest platform for getting massive free traffic and making money now. It's yours. You can do whatever you want with it. Use it to build your email list. Give it away as a bonus. Sell it. Do whatever you want with it. It's yours, right? But this is the one that I think most people were asking me about. Internet marketing on TikTok. And this is a huge, huge done-for-you funnel on TikTok and how to make money with TikTok. And again, this is going to be your product for free. It's just an incredibly valuable package that you're getting for free. And here it's got a 2-stage funnel. So you've got the front-end package, which is really good, but then you've got the upsell package of the advanced tutorials and videos. So you can sell this, and yes, it contains everything. It contains all of the marketing materials. It contains the website. It contains the done-for-you product. It's got the lead magnet. All you guys have to do is come to my website, thekinghumanelite.com, and sign up for a 7-day free trial. You can download this and use it. This is just 1 month. Okay, next I've got setting up your sales funnel. This shows you how to set up all of the products, the done-for-you products, right? And then as a Kinghuman Elite member, you also get voicemail support. So, and you get that from me, not a personal assistant, not a virtual assistant. You talk to me. So all you have to do is click on this and ask your questions, and I get back to you within 24 hours with real answers. So that's what's going on, right? Now, the other thing that's going on in the Kinghuman, well, first of all, let's go up to let me go to public view here. And here is the navigation. So check this out. Got money pages from 2018 every month. And every month has the kind of content that I just showed you. 2019, again, every month. You're getting so much. And then 2020, right? So I'll just pick one at random, April, to show you again what's going on, because this is typical of what's in the money pages. Online income tutorials, Instagram free income system. This is gold, guys. I mean, you guys are paying big money for these kind of courses. Here you can get them. A recurring income affiliate campaign. This shows you the kind of things that I myself work on to make recurring income. So you've got the tutorials and you've got a swipe file download, which is done for you. Launch your course and make recurring income with your own membership site. Here I teach you guys how to make your own membership site. Product launching on Udemy. So this will teach you how to launch your products on Udemy. But let's go back up here because I skipped over the thing I wanted to talk to you about. Here's the technical portal. So if you come in here, you will get access to all kinds of technical setups. Like right now, here's how to set up and edit the done-for-you businesses in a box. Because every month I give you guys a bunch of, there are literally tons of done-for-you businesses in a box. Just like that TikTok course. It's a done-for-you system. All you have to do is set it up. So here I show you how to set it up. Here I show you how to set it up on Wix. Here I show you how to set it up on Weebly. Setting up your PayPal buttons. Creating an e-commerce store with WooCommerce. This is another done-for-you business in a box. You can sell this. There's so many people looking to get into drop shipping and e-commerce. You could just set this up, slap your name on it, set it up, and it's your product, right? You can sell it. But let me show you how cool this is. So again, this is my site, thekinghumanelite.com. That's where you're going to get all of these assets. You come here and you're going to get, if you click on this, you're going to get a 7-day free trial. That means for 7 days you can become a member and you can download as many assets as you want. You can download them. They're yours. You can sell them. You can give them away as lead magnets. You can, but mostly you want to come in here and learn. So come in here and learn as much as you can. But you get a free 7-day free trial to see if this can help you make money. And I'm all about self-empowerment, trying to help people get on the path to their self-empowerment. Okay, enough of me. I'm sick of myself. Bye, and our maximum respect. Stay safe.